If you are moving from Windows to Linux, you will have ton of distros to choose from. You have Ubuntu, you have Fedora, you have Zorin OS, there is hundreds of them. And today, I found about this Linux distro. It's called Winux, and it looks really similar to Windows 11. They are promising native support for Windows applications, integrated OneDrive, and native Android support. On paper, it looks really promising, but is it really that good? Let's find out. So it boots you directly to the desktop. I will actually change the resolution because I know you can't see anything. Okay, now it looks much better. So let's install it. And now it's installing. So nothing weird. If you are familiar to every Linux installer, it really looks the same. And yes, I was right, it is based on Ubuntu. They say here you can run Windows, Android, and Linux applications. It's installed, so let's restart. And welcome to Winux. This is how it looks like. So here you have your trash. I will just put it here. I'm actually seeing this the first time, just wanted to show you my reaction. Okay, it's asking for a password. I don't know why. Alright, let's start here, I think. Let's try a location. Let's say I am in the Vietnam. Okay, I actually like it. Let's see what do they offer here. So you have an ugly start menu here. You have Microsoft Edge. Oh my god. I will just close it. You have system settings. And here you have your system settings, Bluetooth and devices. Really similar to Windows 11. And right here they have OneDrive login. So you can sync your OneDrive files directly to your Linux or Winux PC. We have Discover here for installing software. The very normal KDE Discover we all know. And here we have a file explorer, which looks not that great. So you just have your Dolphin and some icons that look similar to the Windows 11 icons. Let's see what apps they have here. We have 4K video downloader. Oh my god. We have Activate Winux. We have Active Directory join. I have no idea who will use this. I mean, if you have an Active Directory and you have installed an operating system like this, you are not the best IT guy. We have Active Directory change path, which is just for changing your Active Directory password, I think. We have Android. They haven't found any image. Okay, let's say yes. Download image, and yes. Oh my god, these colors are really burning my eyes. I have no idea if the developer will watch this video. Just try to make it better, please. It really looks very ugly right now. Let's just minimize this and see what do they offer also. We have Arc right here, which is to archive files. We have boot repair, calculator. Okay, I think they are using an older version of the GNOME calculator we all know. They have Cheese here, which is also a GNOME app. We have device manager. Okay, this one looks really okay. You have everything you will need. We have emoji selector. We have FCTIX5. I have no idea what it is. We have Google Chrome. We have the Ironic Game Launcher, IPS preferences, input method. We have KDE Connect, KDE Partition Manager, and some KDE apps here. And here we have some Microsoft apps. So we have the ugly Microsoft Edge, 2 Internet Explorers on the system. We have Microsoft Excel Online, OneDrive Online, Outlook Online. What is the point of having an operating system like this? I mean, if it is marketed as sort of Windows operating system or Windows-like operating system, because on the website they say they have Winboard integration. I haven't found it till now. And what is this? MOZC setup? Okay, I have no idea what this is, but it's just here in case you need it. I have no idea for what it is or what is the reason it's on the system, but it exists. It's just here. Oh my god, I will just close it. We have Ocular here, which is a GNOME PDF viewer. We have onboard settings. We have OneDrive, and we have only Office. I mean, they promised Winboard, so I thought to myself I will see some Microsoft Office programs pre-installed, but it's okay. And here we have the third Internet Explorer. Oh my god. We have Remote Desktop Client, GNOME front end for R Desktop, 2002, 2004. I will actually search for this software. I just want to know how old this software is. I couldn't find any infos about it, but it looks like really a 2005 software. I mean, just take a look at it. It's, oh my god. I will just go to the next one. We have Scanlight, which is for scanning documents, I think. We have the Screenshot app, Startup Disk Creator, Steam, System Monitor, and System Settings. And looks like we have some Windows themes. So we have the Windows 11 Light, Black, Windows 10 Light and Black, and here we have two other themes. I will just go with Windows 11 Black. This one looks a little bit better than the white one, but let's continue with the software. For email client, we have Thunderbird, we have UXterm, very ugly. We have Vim, VLC, and Winboard is installed. Let's take a look at it. Okay, it's not configured, but it's here at least. Here we have Webcamoid. I mean, it's a sort of Android emulator cam, or I have no idea. I just give up, I don't want to open it. We have Winux Professional Register. It's just if you want to type your professional key here. And we have WinVer here. Okay, it's just the WinVer we know from Windows, the small software which tells you which Windows version you have installed. And we have the last app here, Xterm. It's just a terminal app. Alright, what do we have here also? So the start menu here, we have the normal run we know. This one is also called run command. I have no idea why. Here we have the settings, the KDE software store, Dolphin, ugly, and Microsoft Edge. Here you can select your keyboard layout. You have clipboard indicator here, volume control, network settings, and here we have Copilot icon. I hope they aren't using Copilot on this system. And it's also called run command. Oh my god. Looks like the developer has integrated Copilot with Linux or Winux. It's actually just an application from Edge. So you know in Edge you can say, create an application out of this website. And here we have one more time, the weather. And I have to set my location one more time. I mean, this distro is just waste of time. And that was the video for today. If you are moving from Windows to Linux, just don't do it this way. Trust me, I have been using Linux for about 7 years now. I have tested a ton of distros, and this one is really the worst one. You have too many pre-installed applications, most of them are useless, the distro is very ugly, and it just looks very wrong. But if you are a Windows user and you want to move to Linux, you can just go with Zorin OS or Ubuntu. And if you are searching for a distro that looks amazing out of the box, check out this video, where I show you 3 good looking Linux distros. So as always, if you have any question or if you run into any problem while installing other distros, don't install this one please, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every comment. So thank you for watching and see you the next time. This is Libre-Data and we are just getting started.